Hello. Welcome back in another article solution. This is solution of article 6 by Professor Walter Loren. This art is titled Fighting Cowards. It was made by German painter, filmmaker, and one of the key figures of German expressionist movement, Franz Marc, in 1911. Color was extremely important for Marc. Not only did he understand the potential for color to affect mood, he developed a specific theory of color symbolism. His analysis of color associated blue with masculine, yellow with feminine, and red with the physical, often violent word. Mark. Mark's words embodies the heightened anxieties of early 20th century Europe as people struggled with the rapidly changing urban world on the precipice of war. Mark is best known for painting animals. Now we are moving to know more about our painter. Franz Marc was born in Munich, Germany on February 8, 1880. Although his career was cut short by his early death, but Franz Marc had a tremendous impact on the various expressionist movements that would evolve after World War I. After early experiments with naturalism and realism, Mark later eschewed those styles in favor of the greater symbolic potential of abstraction. He is most famous for his image of brightly colored animals, especially horses, which he used to convey a profound message about humanity, the natural world, and the fate of mankind. In association with Russian painter and theorist Vasily Kandinsky, Mark founded the group Der Blaue Reiter, which emphasized the use of abstracted forms and bold colors. Their goal was to use form and the symbolism as tool to overcome what they saw as the toxic state of modern world. As World War I approached, the tension of Mark's paintings came into especially shape focus as he anticipated both his own fate and that of Europe as a whole. German Expressionism. The German Expressionist movement started with painters who rebelled against the bourgeois culture of Germany before the First World War. Later, they were joined by other artists such as poets, playwrights, architects, novelists, and filmmakers. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next article solution. Bye bye.